Oh my gosh.
More blood samples.
This one we don't even have to travel for. It's just right there.
Okay, deputy, tell us what happened here. About 11 o'clock, same day as we got the report in the park, we got a call from a nearby farmer that he saw a car crash.
Or did he? Where is the farm?
To your left, I mean south.
A mile away. How did he see the crash?
Period.
Question mark? Fix that for you.
His house is on that hill over there. Sorry, kid, but that farmer's telling you some tales. Pitch black night and close to a mile away over forest ground. I'm sure he heard the
Oh, was it not 11 in the morning? 11 at night?
But no way in hell did he see it.
Was he specific on the details on the crash?
No, he was not.
Okay then. What did you and the sheriff see here?
Are you fucking serious?
We
did this shit?
First off, we saw this horrific car crash. Blood everywhere, car in shambles. Clearly, nobody could have walked away. Didn't find a body. Called it quits. Went home.
Had some coffee, went to bed, or whatever you drink
Well,
before you
first
go
they
to
put
bed.
down some cones.
Went home to the wife.
We were supposed to come back the next morning, but the sheriff didn't report in that morning.
Right. So you left the scene for 2 days? Yeah, that was my question.
We put the cones and the barriers up. Wasn't that all that nice?
We thought that was
Kid?
The local wildlife are more likely to see those cones as a toilet than a barrier. This whole scene is contaminated.
Sorry, I have to agree with her this time. It was pretty dumb leaving this alone the whole time.
Yes, stupid.
Anyway, let's look for some evidence.
Happy dance.
Blood sample.
Dan,
Blood
happy
sample.
dance.
Blood sample. Blood sample.
Yay.
Fireworks.
Well, we got fireworks. You don't need that in your life.
It's 12:40 in the morning.
It's not even close to Labor Day. You're fine.
Go on, read it. No added to inventory.
We gotta know. The young rush as if they lack time.
But if you rush too much, you risk losing all your time.
Oh.
Spooky!
Spooky truths. Yeah, go get him, Brown. He heard that you hear.
I'm sure he felt it.
A bit of blood inside, but most of it seems to be outside the vehicle. How peculiar.
So, we can rule out the impact killing the driver.
And then he stumbled around drunkenly for a little while. Wow, you think this might be a stolen vehicle?
They slammed pretty hard into that tree, and it was through straight, not even on a turn. They might have been driving fast to get away from something.
What's the matter?
You guys really think the three cases might not be related? Why would you only the three cases in the span of 48 hours is highly unusual for a town like this one. We should still account for the possibility that all of these are separate and it was pure coincidence that they happened to be so close to each other. Sheriff Davis seems sure all of you were related.
Pity Sheriff Davis isn't here.
Yeah, where's the lazy bastard when you need him?
Did I just... Oh, okay.
Impact from hitting the tree seems to have destroyed the engine. Front wheels and windshield also knackered.
You're very English.
This has been driving real fast.
Real fast.
Real fast.
Fast. Fast and furious.
What's
Fast.
in the trunk?
All that junk. The boot is empty and open.
Boot!
Do I have to say boot? You're the English person. Why am I saying boot? The boot is empty and open. Looks like it might have been a robbery. That's what they call them. Boots are trunks. Bonnets are the hood. Boots and bonnets. Which is adorable. It looks like whoever is responsible for... It looks like whoever is responsible for fired at all his victims. There we go.
This is the South, and we're out in the country. A lot of people carry guns around here.
Starting to sound real suspicious, Mike. I mean, good point, deputy.
Deputy.
anything?
Oh my god.
Hmm.
Ketchup! I mean Merlot.
Loosely sealed bottle of Merlot. There isn't much left.
Is there any right?
No.
Oh my god.
We got it! Wait, there's a bunch of trees over here? Yeah, what if you go to the left, into the trees? Will we have another problem? Oh, it looks like it's that. Nope, no problem. We're fine.
I'm very anxious. I'm not good with horror games.
Trees are scary now. I don't like the trees. And soon it's gonna start popping out at you elsewhere. And that's not pleasant.
What the hell's over here?
Yeah, why did they let you go over this far?
Maybe we'll probably end up coming back to like this map, just a little bit changed. So they probably just made the map really big, and then they just changed like the objects on it.
God, I can only hope. Right? This needs to stop. Into the car. Maybe you have. Oh, I was gonna say maybe you have to go in from the other side, but nope. It knew. So that's the 3 scenes, right?
Yeah.
It isn't all piecing together. Did Lee Davis keep any of his case files, notes, or photos in his office?
Most of the time. Last I saw him, he wanted to take the stuff home to study it. I have his spare keys if you want to see if he left the files in his house.
We're gonna break into his house? I think we can learn more if we get access to his case files and notes. Let's go.
Let's apostrophe go.
Man. Found his house. It's very pleasant.
It's the one on the
Whoa.
We nearly rammed your house. This looks oddly familiar.
This is it. I mean,
This is it. Sheriff Davis's house.
the famous man's home. I'm excited. I have a feeling we'll get a much better idea of what's going on when we find his case files.
Objective. Learn as much as you can about Lee Davis. Find his case file.
Finding.
Alright.
Windows is searching.
Probably next to his gun.
Gun on the bedside table. Pretty intense. You see a lot of violent crime around here, deputy?
No, not really.
Pretty peaceful town, actually. These incidents are the first serious thing to hit this town since the tornado 2 years ago.
Tornado?
Yeah, it's pretty bad, but some local businesses had to leave. Actually, the U.S. Army was looking to buy some land here before the tornado hit.
Fell through, did it?
Did they end up buying? Nah, the tornado dissuaded them pretty fast. Ow! Also, a lot of the land was in contention. Apparently the family that bought it was going through some legal problems.
Oh! So, there's legal problems. Add that to the things that we know.
We know.
We should probably have written all of this down.
We probably should have kept a list.
Legal problems? Yeah. Apparently he was back. They bought it off that Cherokee tribe I told you earlier. Apparently they swindled them and gave them a rotten deal for it. U.S. Army will get best interest in land.
Come in. So, this one is locked. We know there were problems with Indians and apparently bear wolves. All the lights are on. He must have... Beautiful photo.
Yes, the sheriff was into photography. He carried his SLR everywhere.
We need to find his camera.
Even on duty. He would take photos of all sorts of things.
We need to find his camera.
We need to find his camera.
Because he took a picture. So.
Unless he left with it. Which, if he takes it everywhere he goes...
All clean. Interesting guy. All clean. All clean. All clean. Full fridge! If he was planning to disappear, he would have emptied this out first.
Is that a thing?
Well, if he's a clean guy, because the rest of it's all clean, and then his fridge is just full of food.
I guess that's true.
I guess it's a little out of the ordinary if he knew he wasn't going to stick around. Ooh, letter!
Oh no!
Oh, God. This guy is a hacker or something? He has so many computers.
Is that what they
No
all say?
comment. Hacker. Lee Taxor. Ooh, download files. Of course. Let's see. When I open a file, all that comes up is nonsense for text.
Must be encrypted. Can copy the
drunk
files
right
in your
now?
flash drive.
Little woozy from the medicine.
Yeah, it doesn't stop me doing that.
Very interesting. The man knows how to encrypt files and yet chooses not to lock them into his computer.
Are you implying that he did that on purpose?
Well, I'm not implying he did it on accident. Most likely, he didn't put up a password for the computer itself as if he knew someone else would use it.
That's odd.
Copy the file anyway.
Alright.
We can probably find the keyword that deciphers the code later.
Right.
Files downloaded.
Got him. Oh. Got him. In summary. Holy guns. All the lights are on. Must have left in a flash. Packing heat.
I am a Deezer Eagle. Born M9
A Deezer Eagle?
70 shotgun.
What does it shoot?
You never know.
Cupcakes? Choco balls?
Cake. Marshmallows.
Ice cream. Ooh, ice cream balls.
All reliable classics.
Wow, you know your guns.
I'm in America. I have to.
That's
That's
for
racist.
any foreign people listening. That is not a thing. I don't know jack crap about guns.
Award of Excellence and Merit for Sheriff Lee Davis. For excellence in law enforcement. Oh, I thought it was
Okay.
going to say
For
for
ex-
excellence
excellence.
and merit. High Commissioner E-Bomb.
E-bomb.
E-Bomb. Pretty impressive. E-Bomb's World.
E-bomb's world.
E-Bomb's World.
that
Is
website.
that a reference? All the lights are on. Must have
Sponsor.
Hey! That's another sponsor. Betty Crocker. Lots of classic literature. This guy sure loves to read.
Heinz ketchup. Photos from Antarctica.
Ooh! Do you get those keys on the table?
Obviously not, since they're on the table. There's also a note.
Set of keys.
There's no car parked outside, so I don't think those are car keys.
Yeah, his car's gone. Those aren't his house keys either, as they don't look like the copy I have.
Best we hang on to them. Got the keys.
I have an idea.
Another note.
Again?
Different handwriting this time.
What does it say?
If you want to know the truth, John 6:34.
That's from the Bible. Let's see if we can find one.
To the bookshelves.
Sheriff, where's the religion? There's so much of this Bible in here.
Got the note.
Alright, really
Hi.
quick. We got keys, and this was locked.
Oh. Right.
Was it this? Yeah.
This one's locked.
Oh,
inventory. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff. Keys. I like it. That is the sound of success. We have 41 blood samples.
Oh my gosh.